Hello, today we are going to fix Volvo key fob. My client told me that he dropped the key fob and now it's not working. And as we can see, there is problem with this inductor that has been fallen off. You can see it's almost not holding it there anymore, and it's broken off its foot. I already got a donor key fob, so let's remove this old inductor and install a new one. First, let's remove these old legs. These legs are broken from this key fob, so we need to remove them. Okay, solder looks good. Let's take our donor key fob and we will use hot air to remove this inductor. And now we can unsolder this inductor. We must be very careful so it won't break, because if it breaks we have no inductors to solder on our client's key fob. Okay. It's removed from our donor board and let's solder it on our client's board. Maybe we will use some flux so it works better that way. Here it is. Okay. Board is moving. I don't like that. Okay. Let's hold it in place so the solder can join. Cool. Okay. Now it should work. Let's clean everything and let's test with a multimeter if there is a continuous joint. We'll clean everything so everything is nice and clean. And now let's test it with a multimeter. Let's put it in a diode mode. Okay. And we have a connection. Let's see how many ohms we have. 0.28 ohms. And that's it. Now we need to just put it together and give it back to the client. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.